Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rendra Makijaya, NPM 21144600018, Class A121. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I'm so glad to greet you, students. Do you know when our country announced independence? Great. Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on Agustus 17 tahun 1945. Do you know when our country announced independence? Okay, don't worry because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So, now please listen to me. Students, we know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people, and there are 8 national figures who made it realized. Those are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadasi Maida Soekarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and BM Dia. Then, the first figure is Mr. Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno is one of the people who contributed in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Soekarno was born in Blitar, Java on Jan 16, 1901 and died in Jakarta 1 June 21, 1970. Soekarno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadisa Maida with Bung Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesians independence at his residence at Pegangsaan Timur Street nomor 6 Jakarta. Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born at Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on Agustus 12 tahun 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980 at the age of 77. Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. Ahmad Subarjo Jojo Adsiurjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15 tahun 1978 at the age of 82 years. Ahmad Subarjo participated in conflicts the sources of the text the proclamation at house of Admiral Tadisa Maida with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadisa Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft text of Proclamation of Indonesia Independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them ushead it for a very important activity. Soekarno was born in Blitar, East Java on Juli 14 tahun 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7 tahun 1971 at the age of 54. His full name is Soekarni Kartodiwiryo Soekarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatima, was Insinyur Soekarno with wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1980. Fatmawati sweat the Saka Merah Putih flag was raised at the proclamation of Indonesian independence at Gagasan Timur Street nomor 56 Jakarta. The text of the Proclamation of Independence was delivered by Sayyidu Milik. Sayyidu Milik is a youth leader was also very important in the Proclamation of Indonesia Independence. The text of the proclamation was originally handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayyidu Milik to make its local needs. The original text was then thrown into the trash. BMTA took the original manuscript from the trash can and kept it. He considered that the text had a history. The original manuscripts that were kept by BMDA for 5 6 years, 9 months, 19 days were later returned to the Indonesian nations. He broke the original text of the Indonesian Independence Proclamation on Tuesday morning, 19 Mei 1992 at 10:30 AM and handed it over to Presiden Soeharto. Okay, students, such of eight national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep this independence by reaching devoted feeling to our country. And I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivation. See you next week. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.